Grandpa. I was thinking about my future, and I want to be the richest person in the world someday. Can you tell me how to do it? What qualities do I need to become as rich as Elon Musk, Bernard Arnault, or Jeff Bezos?
That's quite an ambitious goal, my dear grandson. To become the richest person in the world, you'll need a combination of qualities and skills. Let's explore them together. Which quality would you like to discuss first? Innovation, hard work, entrepreneurship, leadership, or another one?
I'd like to start with innovation, Grandpa. Elon Musk is known for his innovative ideas, and I want to be creative like him.
Fantastic choice. Innovation is about thinking outside the box. To be more innovative, keep an open mind and be curious about the world around you. Think of a problem or a challenge you're passionate about, and brainstorm creative solutions. Remember, innovation often involves taking risks, just like Musk did with SpaceX and Tesla.
That makes sense, Grandpa. What's another essential quality?
Let's talk about hard work, inspired by Jeff Bezos. To achieve your dreams, you'll need to work diligently and stay determined. Make a plan, set clear goals, and be ready to put in long hours. Even when things get tough, remember that hard work is a key ingredient in success. Jeff Bezos started Amazon from his garage, and it wasn't easy, but he persevered.
I appreciate that advice, Grandpa. How about entrepreneurship, like Bernard Arnault?
Entrepreneurship is about seizing opportunities. Just like Bernard Arnault, you should be open to identifying promising ventures. Start small, learn from your experiences, and don't be afraid to take calculated risks. Keep an eye on market trends and adapt your strategies as needed. Bernard Arnault took chances with luxury goods and built LVMH into a conglomerate.
I see, Grandpa. Can you share another quality that these billionaires have?
Let's discuss leadership, inspired by Larry Ellison. Effective leadership involves making tough decisions and guiding a team toward a shared goal. To develop leadership skills, work on your communication, empathy, and problem-solving abilities. Learning from successful leaders and mentors can be incredibly valuable. Larry Ellison founded Oracle and led it with a strong vision.
Thank you, Grandpa. These qualities are becoming clearer to me. Is there one more we can explore?
Certainly. How about philanthropy, as seen with Bill Gates? It's important to not only accumulate wealth but also give back to society. Find causes you're passionate about and consider how you can make a positive impact on the world as you accumulate wealth. Bill Gates is a prime example of using wealth for the greater good through the Gates Foundation.
That's meaningful, Grandpa. I'll keep these qualities in mind as I work towards my goal.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.